Hi, so Mary emailed me with a question about how to read the chord charts written on the paper and how that translates onto the ukulele. If you line up your sheet music and your ukulele like this, the chart lines up with the strings on the ukulele. This first one here is your G string. The second one is the C string. The third one, with this black dot on it, is the E string. And the fourth one is the A string. So for the F major chord, you're going to place your second finger on the second fret of the G string and your first finger on the first fret of the E string. Second finger, second fret of G string. First finger, first fret of E string. Then strum all four strings. Now your C chord has just one black dot. So these three strings are played open. The A string, you're going to take your third finger, your ring finger, and place it on the 1, 2, 3, third fret. And you're going to strum all four strings. I want you to use this ring finger because it makes switching back and forth between the F chord and the C chord very easy. When you play your F chord, you get ready to switch to your C chord, you're going to do it in two motions. You're going to take this ring finger, place it down on the third fret of the A string, and then you're going to lift your first and second finger and do your best to keep them right over the strings. Rather than going like this, keep your fingers just over where they were. There's your C chord. And then to switch back to your F, you're going to put your first and second finger back down in position for the F chord, and then lift your ring finger. That way you can learn to switch back and forth very easily. It's going to feel awkward for now. If you do it the way I showed you, it will get much easier very quickly. So for Mary Had a Little Lamb, there's two measures of F to start the song. So we're going to strum 4 times for each measure. So we'll strum a F 8 times, then we'll switch to C and strum it 4 times, then switch to F and strum it 4 times. That's the first half of the song, the first 2 lines of the song. The ukulele part will repeat after that. It's the same thing over and over again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we switch to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then switch back to F. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first note you sing will be your A string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mary had a little lamb. Switch, little lamb, switch, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Again. Mary had a little lamb.